Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today we have probably one of the smallest mystery packs I've ever ordered. This one comes off of eBay as well. It's called Mystery Coin Boxes. I'll put a link in the description below. I know in the past I haven't put links in the description, but you know, as long as I'm not sharing personal info, it's a public listing on eBay, so that's not something I'm not allowed to share, so I will share it. So this did cost me $15 plus $4.50 shipping. You can see that the shipper did pay $4.20 to ship it, and because I do ship a lot, I do know that these little packages cost between, 20 and 30 cents a piece. Maybe less if you get it in bulk. But regardless, he did spend the $4.50 on shipping. So I'm expecting that he sent me at least $15 worth of coins inside of this package. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in here. Now, it doesn't feel like much, but I didn't expect a whole lot with $15. I just hope it's somewhere close. And if not, I didn't lose a whole bunch of money. But let's go ahead and cut into this and flip it over and see what's in. Now, if there's a note in here with the private address on it, I have to blur it out. But we do have, a pack of coins, and that's it. Just this little pack of coins. Okay, well, let's find out what we got. Don't judge until we look at it, right? Mystery packs are always a gamble. Usually you're on the losing end. Let's take a look and see what we have. So the first thing here, so this is a 1973 D Roosevelt. This is uncirculated. As you can see, this is actually out of the uncirculated set. So they basically took a mint set, cut it apart. This is the D section, and sent us the dime. So it is cool that it's uncirculated, but taking a mint set and cutting it apart, I'm just going to value this at 15 cents, guys. 15 cents because it is a nice uncirculated coin. That's it. All right, so next up, we have a 1994 P. So that, I should have saw the blue. I would have known it was Philadelphia. But a 1994 P. So this one right here, a later date mint set. Most of these just go for face value anyway, so I'm just going to value this at a nickel. So far we have 20 cents of value in my $15 mystery pack. Again, I'm not going to count the shipping cost because he did pay that shipping back to the post office and material. All right, so next up, we have ourselves a 1904 Liberty Nickel. This thing is incredibly worn, super flat, no rim. Liberty Nickels in this date, they always show the date because the date's lower into the coin, so you don't usually see these with worn off dates. This is very flat. That one right there in that condition, I'm going to value at 50 cents, so we'll give it a 50-cent valuation. We have another Liberty Nickel here. This is a 1912, and I am looking for a mint mark because they did have mint marks on 12s, but this one did not. So we have a 1912 Liberty Nickel. Now this one's in a little bit better shape, so we will value that at 75 cents. So far we have $1.25, $1.30, $1.45. We have $1.45. We're getting there, guys. This is the best eBay mystery pack I've ever opened. All right. So added to our $1.45, we have a 1906. Wow. I was just talking about how the dates are rarely worn off, but look at this. You can barely see it. 1906 Liberty Nickel. You can barely see the date on this. I'm going to give this a quarter. I'm serious. Like that one, the date's almost gone. Like I would have trouble seeing anybody specifically buying this coin other than receiving it in a mystery pack. And I know a lot of the criticism about mystery packs is it's just how they dump their old junk coins. And I agree. 100%. But that's what we have as a 1906. All right. So next up, now this one has a better, stronger date. You can even see a little bit of Liberty. Not bad, but it is dark. We do have a 1911 Liberty Nickel. Now this is going to go into our 75-cent pile. So two 75 centers puts us at $1.50, $2, $2.25, $2.30, $2.45. We're at $2.45. Guys, we are rocking the value here. I'm really excited. Can't wait to see what these other two coins are going to be valued. I know you guys are blown away. I'm blown away, right? I mean, the value here is insane. I can't believe I'm getting such value. All right. Next up, we have a 1943 war nickel. You can tell it's a war nickel even before flipping it because in 43, 4, and 45, they were all war nickels. In 42, about half of them were. This also has the tint. So a 1943 war nickel, these right now are selling for around melt, which I believe is close to $1.50. So we're going to give this a $1.50 valuation. And that's what we're going to go with. So we do have our most valuable coin so far. We have a $1.50 war nickel. So excited. All right, guys, I'm telling you, I'm so excited about the value of this mystery pack. I know you guys are as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more mystery packs like this, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe. Go down below. Make sure you're subscribed because a lot of people that watch the channel are not. Believe it or not, they're not. All right, so here we go. This is our final coin. Take a look. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. 1918 Mercury dime. Completely worn rim. It is an earlier date, but it has a completely worn rim. Wow. So exciting. $2.20. So let's go ahead and add it up. So we got $2.20 plus $1.50 puts us at $3.70. All right, $4.75. So $5.20, $5.70, $5.95, $6, $6.15. So in our mystery pack, link in the description below, from this seller, we got $6.15 in value. Okay, well, this is far and away the best mystery pack I've ever opened. Oh, wait. I did get a little bit of packing material, so we can add another 10 cents here. And I got a new bag that I can use. Really excited about that. So that we can add 15 cents to the total. But seriously, guys, that is it. That's what we have for the eBay mystery pack. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed. Most of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed, believe it or not. And I would appreciate you guys supporting the channel by going down below and doing so. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video, and you have a fantastic rest of your day. And hey everyone, while I have your attention, I do want to formally invite you to our Discord server. That is, if you aren't already a member over there, it is free to join. Discord is a chat program that allows people all over the world to communicate via text and voice. Our Discord server is just text at the moment, but we might be adding voice channels in the future. But joining the Discord server is really easy. Because we're a Discord server that's partnered with Discord, we do get a custom link, so you can join as simple as discord.gg/silver in your browser. There will also be a link down below if you just want to go down below and click the link and join us. And when you're over here, you can talk about all sorts of stuff. You can talk about anything from coin collecting, bullion stacking, errors and varieties, paper, currency, numismatics, world coins, cryptocurrency. You can even have fun and play around with our crypto bot. You can share deals. You can even plug your own YouTube videos so that people can see the videos that you create. You can share them with everyone else in the community. All you have to do is join us. So we do look forward to having you in our Discord server. Again, it's discord.gg/silver. That's all you have to type in to get there. Or again, you can just go down into the description and click the link and join us that way. We look forward to seeing you over there, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.